Hello, welcome to School of Alchemy, Sunday of Symbols. Today we're going to talk about the Ancient of the Ancients from the book The Secret Teachings of All Ages by Marley B. Hall. The illustration is being created by J. August Knapp. So, in the greater Holy Assembly, it is written of the Ancient of the Ancients, that he is the concealed of the concealed, the eternal of the eternal, the mystery of the mysteries, and that in his symbols he is knowable and unknowable. In the Zohar, his robes are said to be white, but here it is shown as red. He has a red robe to signify that the garments of divinity partake of the nature of the cosmic activity. As you can see, this is the firmament with the stars. His robe is red because he's partaking a cosmic activity. His face is declared to be the likeness of the vast, luminous, and terrible. He sits upon a throne of a flaming light, and the flashes of fire are subject to his will. The white light streaming from his head illumines 400,000 worlds. The glory of this light shall be given unto the just, who are called the sacred fruits of the tree of Sephiroth, or the tree of life in Kabbalah. From his skull, the ancient of the ancient have a cleft skull like that of Zeus, because it gives way to the knowledge and wisdom of Athena. Although Zeus is a Greek is a god in the Greek pantheon, here it is also signifies like he is like Zeus, and this is Athena, the goddess of wisdom. He is open to the wisdom of the divine, the creator, the grand master, and the grand architect. The length of the great face, is declared to be 370,000 myriad worlds. It is called the long face. And here you can see 4 creatures. These 4 creatures represents the banner in the tribes of Israel when they were encamped in the wilderness, when they left Egypt. So the man represents Reuben. The lion represents Judah. The bull represents Ephraim. And the eagle represents Dan. So the ancient of the ancients' hair flows all the way to the firmament, to the sky. And from his hand flows the sacred light of man or mother and father. and therefore it is the beginning of the creation of man. This is the symbol Yod in the Hebrew text, in the Hebrew alphabet. There are the two pillars. One pillar has a fire and the other one is extinguished. And here is the snake Ouroboros, the snake that eats its tail, or the prima materia. And here is the star, or the two triangles, the black and white. If you combine this, it's going to be the Star of David, the star in the flag of Israel. So this is our symbol for today, the Ancient of the Ancients. If you want to see more of the symbols of the Masonic, Kabbalistic, and Rosicrucian, come back every week and hit that subscribe button and the bell for notification. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday. Blessed one.